All right, I have the Beta FPV femto. I already added my air unit and configured it in Betaflight. So now I'm just gonna add the canopy piece and put these brackets on the frame and then take it out for a spin. All right, that's it. It was pretty straightforward. This thing is like, it's like a Lamborghini of micro cinewhoops. So I'm gonna go take it for a spin. And if you want to see it up against something like the Flylens 85, put it down in the comments below. If you want to see it up against the Pavo Pico, put it in the comments below, and we'll go from there.